It is only through knowledge that you can distinguish truth from falsehood. If you are patient in one moment of anger, you will avoid 100 days of sorrow. The greatest source of peace lies in prayer and remembrance of Allah. Sincerity is the key to success. Be sincere with yourself first, before others. Patience in the face of difficulty is a sign of true faith. Always strive to do good deeds, they will bring immense rewards on the day of judgment. Always strive to do good deeds, they will bring immense rewards on the day of judgment. Be truthful in all your speech and deeds, for truthfulness leads to righteousness. Look to Allah for guidance and seek His help in all matters. Make every effort to learn and seek knowledge, it will liberate you from ignorance. Remember that life is fleeting, make the most of each day. Your actions should be based on high moral values, this will lead you unto paradise. Take advantage of 5 matters before 5 other matters: your youth before your old age, your health before your sickness, your wealth before your poverty, your free time before you are preoccupied, and your life before death.